How to reset Barclays credit card account password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also having trouble entering or logging into your Barclays credit card account because you forget your password, or you don't know remember your password by confusing it to others passwords, so in that case what you might want to do is just first enter your username and just click on this forget username or password right down or below the login button over here. As you forget your password, so simply tap on that. So from over here you just have to provide your last name and last 6 digits of social security number or ITIN number, and as well as your date of birth. And once you provide all of those, you can basically tap on this continue button over here to successfully reset your password after following the on-screen instruction provided by the Barclays credit card team as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.